Вода в коробке. Там вот.
We are kind of colony of ants. It's a big organism without clear hierarchy, and some tasks are very spontaneous because situation also priority could be changed very fastly. If you know that this is like person request is trustworthy and you can help it make it close this task fast, you put in higher priority and downgrade something else. So it's very situative. Maybe it looks a bit chaotic, but such times and they need some different approach.
Now this medicine we took to places who was destroyed by Russian army. They destroyed pharmacies, they destroyed hospitals. We collect money and we buy a lot of medicine in our pharmacies. Here in Sumy.
Because of course our drivers, we don't ask them to risk their lives if they're not ready to go to bring aid to Kharkiv, but for Chuguyev we have a warehouse there, and then Chuguyev comes and takes it from Kharkiv. So actually those who are living in danger, they find means to take from a bit safer places, not far from where they are, our aid. And we, most of our drivers are regular people. They are afraid to go to danger.
So I would say strong morale. People are very dedicated to defending the rights and freedoms against the invasion. So people kind of tied together in a stronger fashion than they used to be before the war. And I think that this strong morale is contributing to this huge network of volunteers and huge network of people helping each other out.
I know example of one priest who helps people to leave city of Volnovakha on north from Mariupol. And every day he wrote some short messages in Facebook that I would like to help for more people. And if it will be possible, I will help more and more people. But in line of the activity is evacuation of children, evacuation of elder person, sick persons from hospitals, like from Chernihiv, from Kharkiv, from Sumy, from places where still dangerous situation, to much safest places of Ukraine. Everyone has their own responsibility. Yes, it's not possible for everybody to become soldiers.